little princess wanted me to show y'all her dress and purse that she put together for Sunday morning's church. Alright, we just got in from church. It's 1:50 and practice pan is still there. I gotta wash it. We were in a rush. Those are empty. I just gotta put those away. And then I had to go to Walmart to get stuff. And then some more groceries. This is kind of dirty. And then we gotta clean that. Oh, we got so much to do. Or at least our living room is clean, right? These we're gonna get rid of soon. So, all right. Oh, and we have more clothes that we need to do. Sorry for the bad lighting. Can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. We should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? somewhere above the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you were lost and this is a clue. So pretty much what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to clean all the dishes, and I'm going to put them right there, and whenever my girls get home they're going to put them away. I just find that it's a little bit easier that way, and I was talking to them last night that I think we're going to start a new routine where I think they're old enough to start washing the dishes and putting them in the dishwasher. So I'm going to start doing that this week, and hopefully it turns out pretty good. Instead of the dishes just piling up and me having to do them and then wait till the girls get home to do the dishwasher and stuff. So hopefully it works. We'll see, but I'll let you know in the next video. In this dream of your own decide, there is someone calling your name. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Now I'm just going to add one of those wet mops. That one's the great value one. I'm going to put it on my wet jet. I actually got this from a friend and I wanted to see if it worked, and it worked fine for mine. I will be upgrading or downgrading I should say, because it's a little bit cheaper than the wet jet that I have. I just don't want the wet jet anymore. I have to constantly like buy all the stuff for it. So I really like the wet mopping pads, so I'm gonna buy that one pretty soon. I just feel like it was easier. Alright guys, thank y'all so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like this video. It lets me know that y'all are enjoying the cleaning videos, and I love y'all. God bless. See y'all later.